Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, with you live every morning for the opening and closing bell and breaking news throughout the day. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real trades, my real money, and here we go. This is the position today. 35,000 is what my portfolio is worth. All the money I have, it's here, live on the show for you. And let's go straight into the trades now and see what sort of day we've had today. Not bad, up, down, tale of two cities today a little bit. We've had some good, some bad, some indifferent, but the fact of the matter is we're up, which isn't bad, at least in these times right now. So pretty good, I would say. Over there on TikTok, welcome to you. Welcome over there on Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, wherever you are this afternoon. Let's have a look at what's been going on today. This is our portfolio. If we run through it right now, Vanguard S&P is down 1.15%. And what is driving that down? I'm only up 1.5% now. What is driving that down today? Let's have a little look. It might be time to buy some more VU. It's my favourite stock to own because of the dividends, because of the security and the diversity as well. And of course, I'm in with all the top stocks. Virgin Galactic is up 5.78 today. We had a great day with Virgin Galactic. It dropped back a bit and recovered again. Virgin Orbit, my other Virgin situation, we are up. We've got 25 shares for free now. We've made money on 25 shares. The other 200 is today where we are, and that's what we're concerned about right now. We bought in today and we're just down slightly. So we're just down very, very slightly. Thank you, Mike. Mike is here from Twitch. He's over there on Twitch opening up our account, getting us going. We've got 44 followers, just 6 to go now. ETORO became a member this afternoon. Look at that, just 6 to go. There you go, just 6 to go. The evening boss, there's CMV Studio. Can you open up the Twitch? We need 3 averages. Don't leave YouTube, as you know. Paul B, good evening to you, Paul B. Lovely to have you here. So there we go. Let's carry on through. Tesla's had a good day. So what's down? It must be Apple. I'd imagine. Let me go and have a look. Meta is down a little bit. I was in an exam at the market open and missed the space train. You missed the space train. How are you this morning, Rob? This afternoon. How is life with you? Microsoft is down a bit today. Google is just up a little bit. MasterCard. Oh, I'm out now. Let me close that now. That shouldn't be there now. There we go. Take that out. I closed that position today. Google, Johnson & Johnson. Oh, that's a big part of the S&P. That's down today. Down 0.79. Oh, chance to get there then, perhaps. Average down on Johnson & Johnson today. Always good to do that. McDonald's down today 1.53. These are some good stocks to get into. Robinhood, Apple, there you go, down 0.64. There you go. That's what's bringing VU down today. So what we could do is we could buy some McDonald's if we wanted to. That's on sale right now. So is Coke, a little bit. But certainly Johnson & Johnson, nearly 1% today is quite a lot. I'm flat on it. There you go. I'm now flat on it. So I'm going to wait until I go down a couple of percent before I buy any more. But there we go. It doesn't really matter what it's down today. I'm not looking to spend more money. I'm just looking to add if it's down so much. How's the rest of the stats looking for Twitch? Yeah, pretty good. We got 44 followers now. Tom, there's only one at the moment watching me live. That's Mike. Where are you? Why aren't you doing it? We've got 44, just 6 to go. Very, very close. Everything else is looking good. Very close now. Nvidia is down today. Meta, Nvidia, I'm not actually in right now, so I could close that one as well. Wouldn't mind getting back in, though. So I won't close it. I'll keep it on my portfolio. Meta, it's gone backwards a little bit. SoFi. I bought the dip this morning with SoFi, added to my position. I like it. It's 1.8% of my portfolio. Let's have a look. We've got a couple here that haven't refreshed. I apologise for that. IonQ, here it comes. Up 0.65 now, up 4%. IonQ doing well today. Did you trade space at all today? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I haven't. I've got the same position. I haven't really done anything at all today. I haven't got any money. I mean, to bring in at the moment. I'm just looking to trade if I see a good opportunity, but VORB didn't really go high enough and it didn't go low enough. I've actually got a buy set here for 380, so it's not going low enough to let me in, and it's not gone high enough to make a sale either. So it's a bit of a sort of half start day today. Did pretty well. We're up, but nothing really took off, so I've not really got anything to shout about too much. Apologise for some of these screens not being open. He wanted $100 on some crap project earlier. Yeah, I wasted. I know. Don't talk about that. That was Caden Youngquist getting me all excited. I don't know why I did that. Totally against all my principles. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I don't even know why. Just shows you, doesn't it? You make mistakes as a human being all the time. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, $100 I'll never see again. He wasted $100 on some crap project. I'm glad you've announced it to the world, but you're absolutely right. Keeps the channel real, right? Keeps the channel real. I do stupid mistakes all the time, but there you go. Yeah, not great. I could have bought. Did you buy into oil then? No, very funny. What I could have done is actually bought something quite decent. I could have bought $100 of anything that I already own, actually. It wouldn't matter what it was. But I decided to buy a stupid TV video thing and whatever. Anyway, we saw what happened. We know the rest. Tilray Brands is coming up. Peru is here. How are you, Peru? Lovely to have you here. Ginkgo Bioworks, or you could have bought Wex. I could have bought Wex. You and your bloody Wex. I've got no money to put in anything new. I'm focused on what I've already got. Anyway, Bitcoin SV dropped back down today, I'm afraid. I didn't get the video yet done. I was doing my Kickstarter all day. Flipping it, that takes a lot of work. A lot to do with that. That's taken nearly all my day today. Very, very difficult. Well, not difficult, just very time-consuming. Everything is, right? Everything is. I want to thank Theodore Roll for becoming my 44th follower on Twitch. Only 6 to go. All right, so what are we doing this afternoon? Are we going to get a bit of a bounce into the close? Well, we're up. We're up $300. We're up 0.93. Do you know what? It's pretty good right now. This is the week. That it's all supposed to go down 30-40%. Anyway, and that's only the first 20%. Or you could have, and that's only the first 20%. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean, Tom? What's the first 20% of setting it all up? I'm just waiting for it to be approved now. I've posted it to be approved. It takes 3 days apparently, so we'll know in 3 days. I'm sure I'm going to make some edits and updates. The hardest part was working out how much to fund. If Kickstarter has took all day, that's it. And that's only the first 20%. I'm not with you. I'm not with you, Tom. Write the whole sentence out. I don't know what you're saying. Rivian, Lucid's holding up. We're waiting to get, if we can, Virgin Orbit for 380. That's what we're looking for. Virgin Galactic. Now, you know, I could sell this, but I'm not. I'm not going to do that. It's very tempting sometimes. Very tempting when you think. But the thing is, what I want to do is add to it. I want to keep the 1,000 shares and then add to it. So if you want to swing trade, buy 300, pop it up, sell the 300. You do know that every edit and update needs to be approved as well. So what happens, Tom? If I make an edit, will the whole thing disappear again, or will it just be the edit? That's a good point to know, because I want to get it advertised so people can start looking at it. So tell me, because you've done this before, if it gets approved tomorrow and then I edit something, is it just the edit that needs to that won't be visible, or will the whole thing not be visible? I don't know. I've never done it before, because that would be frustrating if it keeps disappearing all the time. Anyway, perhaps you could let me know. It's all new experience, a learning curve, right? The campaign will remain open, but the edit won't show. Oh, good. So if I add, that's good. That's good. So the campaign will remain open. That's good. That's all right then. That's what I thought. There's so much to do with it. There's so many more videos to make. There's so much more around it. Images, pictures, videos, benefits for the backers. So much more to do that it'll take me a couple of weeks to finally go, I'm happy with everything. So I'm glad I can get it up and running, and then add benefits, add perks, add information. So that's good. That's good. But they don't like too many edits. Well, yeah, that's understandable. I really thought they would just be the second, I've gone through it all. I'm happy with what I've done. I've uploaded it. I'm waiting for approval, and then one other edit, go through and add bits and pieces. But it's all about managing your time between doing all the shows, the live shows, the videos, the updates. It's so much to do. Hi all, stopping in on my lunch. Nicholas Morello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Nicholas Morello, what are you having for your lunch? What are you having today? We're looking at the portfolio is 36,000. We're up 1.16. Looks like we're going to get a little bit of growth into the close, perhaps. The S&P is not low enough. And the reason why I'm not buying more S&P, and I'd like to. Sounds like you need an admin to help with it. Yeah, I can add you, right? I can add someone. That's right. You can do that. Here we go. You can add someone. Yeah. Where is it? People. Edit your Kickstarter profile and add collaborators. Here we go. Add collaborators. Let me do that. Collaborators optional. If you're working with others, you can grant them permission to edit this project, communicate with backers, and coordinate reward fulfillment. Add your first collaborator. Tom, put your email in the chat. Choose collaborators that you trust. It's your responsibility to make sure that the team members interact respectfully with backers and keep their personal information confidential. There you go. Email. Each collaborator needs to have a Kickstarter account, the address associated with their login, so we can confirm them. Right. Title, collaborator. Okay. There you go. COLL Laborator. All right. Thank you, Tom. We're watching S&P 500 at the minute. Virgin Galactic. We're waiting for Virgin Orbit to go down. Thank you, Tom. I'm going to put this in now. Thanks for being part of that. We'll send to you on Discord. Can you send it now? Only because I'm just doing it. I'm doing it live as we speak right now. All collaborations will be able to access your profile data. That includes total funding, the amount pledged, and the amount of backers. Special level, specify the level of access should be below. S&P doesn't want to go down. No. It's looking quite good, isn't it? Baba, wow. Oh, here we go. Let's have a look at this. I'm not really a fan of Baba. I gotta say, I'm more Amazon man, but there you go. I don't like Chinese stocks. Up 15% today. Alibaba, look at that. Let's have a look at it on the week. 28% on the week. Blimey. 36% on the month. This is because of the restrictions being lifted from what do you call it? China. You can see, look at that. It's had some bounce, isn't it? There you go. Wow, that is some bounce. You know? And this was if we go back to March 2020, this was round about COVID. You see it fell off here, and then it rose up, and then all the lockdowns, you can see. And now we've got some success here. I don't think I'd buy into it though, only because I'm not a fan of Chinese stocks. What do you what's everybody else feel like? I've always said I'm not really a fan. Don't like the way it's manipulated, but then having said that, things are manipulated pretty much in the UK, right? Sorry, in the US is just as much. I don't know, but I've never been a fan of it. You tell me what you think. Shanghai opening up. That's what's done it. Thank you, Tom. Thank you very much. There's Tom's email. There we go. Brilliant. Thanks, Tom. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate that. Okay. Up 1% now. Not a fan also. Sometimes very accurate. I take... Not a fan also. Sometimes very accurate. I take Vips or Lil. Sorry, I don't understand that one. Vanguard S&P is down 1% today. But yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to go any further down. Have we reached the bottom now? Because if you think about it, over the last 3 months, we're only down 0.95. Now, if you look... Oh, not sorry, that's Virgin Galactic, I beg your pardon. Let me go. I thought that was weird. Over the last month. Right, over the last month now, we're down 6%. 6% now over the last month, and you can see in the last part of the month we've been rising all the time. So steadily, have we reached the bottom now? What is your portfolio? What is my portfolio? What do you mean? It's on Robinhood. This is my portfolio right now, 35,975. Crisp also made me a lot. Bought 55. Just sold it. Congratulations, Peru. Where is everyone? Where is everyone? How many have we got in the stream? I've not even checked. We've got 17 watching. That's not bad. Just starting off. Okay, 36,000. Yes, 36,000 indeed. All right, we got a good crowd who have just tuned in this afternoon for our live trades. We've got 18 watching and 9 likes. You know what I'm going to say. You know what I'm going to say. 1 minute on the clock. I want 20 likes. Here we go. Smash the like button. Here comes Mr. Mini-Me. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. I've been saying all along, I'm the real Satoshi, but no one believes me. I wonder why that might be. What do you reckon? Maybe they do. You know we're not near the bottom, Mr. Lucas. Well, I don't know anything. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Right, 11 likes. Come on, we've got 20 seconds. I want 15 likes. We've got 21 watching. What's going on? Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Where's Bubble, by the way? He's been on a cruise ship for weeks. 8 seconds to go. Smash the like button. What's going on? What's going on? Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Let me close the timer. There we go. Not too bad. 11 likes. A little bit better. Not great. It has to be said. Not great, but it'll do for now. All right. Okay. Peru, Queen on the BSV train, on the BSV train. Love it. The BSV train. Paul, do you have a crystal ball like Market Profit has? Here we go. Yeah, he does. I don't know. Look, no one knows. Honestly, the truth is, the real bottom line truth is, nobody knows. Charts, people discussing it, no one knows. At the end of the day, what will take the stocks down is one thing and one thing only. Oh, no, I haven't done it, Tom. I got sidetracked. No, I haven't. The only thing that will... I'll do it at the end of the show now. I closed it. But thanks, Tom. I've got the email now. Thank you very much. In fact, I'll try... Yeah, I'll do it at the end. I'll do it at the end because I need to read through some more information. The only thing that's going to drive the stocks down, one thing and one thing only, is people selling the stocks. That's it. That's it. What influences people? What makes people sell out? Fear, stress, interest rates, think they can put their money somewhere else, get some better returns, a war, so many things. People, retiring, taking their money out, putting it in cash. There's loads of reasons why the markets would go down, but it all comes down to people. So to say 100% guaranteed fact the markets are going to go down is impossible. Because if everyone could say that, if you could say that 100%, that all the markets were going to go down 30%, we should all, right now, be selling all our portfolios. Absolutely. I should sell my entire portfolio, have $36,000 sat in cash, and then buy it all back when it goes down to all down 30%. That's obvious, right? That's obvious. And now if everybody believes that, the market should be at zero right now. Because if everyone really believes that, really believes that, then everyone should sell out now. The markets would go to zero. Share values would be wiped out, and then would all buy back in at zero. Of course, the real world doesn't happen like that. No one actually sells out like that. Everything doesn't go to zero, and we are somewhere in between. So no one knows 100% for sure. Amazon's coming up now, 1.31. I like it. Apple's returning. Looks like we're getting a bounce into the close. It does look like that. Now then, what does everybody make of the announcement today, the SEC ruling? It's a lot to do with the buy for order flow. It's how Robinhood makes its money. If they take that away, but Robinhood will have to change things. It'll have to start charging fees, and then that will really change everything. But we'll see how it works out. But anyway, the stock price has gone down but recovered a little bit. But again, you've got to get a perspective. The stocks were at 70 at one point. So, it's a big drop, isn't it? McDonald's is coming up right now. I just bought another share. Very, very nice indeed. So, I'm happy with that. Bought a share a few minutes ago. To 246.54. 246. Oh, it's slightly lower. Slightly lower than where I bought it in. Never mind. Coca-Cola's having a good day. It's now pushing up. Holding on to that for my dividends. Johnson & Johnson doing all right as well. Check Discord. Thank you very much. What's on Discord? Check Discord. You've been invited to join a voice channel. What's all that about? I've been invited to join a voice channel. What's that? What's that, Tom? What are you sending me that for? Ah, okay. You got me to open the broadcast lounge. All right. Johnson & Johnson now coming up. Very nice. Now, we added today GlaxoSmithKline. You forgot to open the green room. So, I see. Very good. Maybe I didn't want the green room open. Maybe I didn't want it open. GSK. Now, of course, I got in this one this morning because of the news of this potential miracle drug coming curing cancer. We were looking at that this morning, and the stock's did great and then fell back, but I'm still up on it. I've got a decent position in it. I could sell it all now and make a profit, even if it is only a couple of bucks. But it's pretty safe money. No one is talking about banning payment for order flow. There's simply, they were, Nicholas. They were talking about that. They're simply talking about changing it a little bit to allow an auction if you will have different brokers competing for the best execution. Okay. All right. Well, a few months ago, when there was a big court case going on with Robinhood, there was this discussion about would they go to a system like in the UK? Because I believe the UK doesn't have the buy to order flow. But anyway, nevertheless, that's what you're saying. Simply allow an auction, if you will, have different brokers competing for the best execution. Okay, that could be good for a customer. I don't know. But anyway, it has driven the stock down. The S&P's now coming up a little bit this afternoon. Looks like we are getting a rally into the close with just over 30 minutes to go. Virgin is holding up. Virgin Orbit, I'm waiting to get a lower price. I don't mind owning it at this price. I feel this is cheap for the stock. I feel in 2-3 years' time, we won't recognize this price, but you know, we always want to get a cheaper price, right? So I've got an order placed to buy it for 380. It may never go down there again. I don't know. Nobody knows, do they, really? We've got a few mentions, have we, over there on Discord? Let me have a quick look. All right, all looking good. Right, so the plan is, and in fact, I'll hold that. I'll hold fire. I've got the announcement to make soon about the Kickstarter, but we do know Tom's in the house today, CMB Studio. He's going to be with us at the spaceport, which is Virgin Orbit, but it also benefits SPCE in Cornwall, in the UK. He's going to be there sometime next week, calling in live from the show. Tom, did you get the email I sent you, which is the communications to the office at the spaceport? I sent it to you via Facebook Messenger. Did you get that? That's the times and when the office is open and stuff like that. So if you wanted to contact them, you'd feel free. Lucid up 3.56. Arrival up 0.29. Amazon. Of course I got it. Nice one. Great. We got some news here just coming in. What do you make of this? Apple's new CarPlay could help the stock price. Apple's next frontier. Apple tends to its walled garden. Let's have a look. Apple rolls out CarPlay and pay later features as its walled garden gets harder to escape. What do they mean by that? The Appleverse is already here, even if the headset isn't. Tim Cook did not unveil a mixed reality headset at Apple's annual developer conference this week, and some have been hoping, but he did launch several features that will make Apple's devices even more central to consumers' actual reality. All the upgrades, iPhone, Mac, Watch, iPad are all getting software updates, highlights including editable iMessages and biometric authentication tool for dubbed passkeys. No idea what that is. BNPL Meet Apple. A service called Apple Pay Later lets users pay for things in 4 interest-free installments spread over 6 weeks. Interesting. I'm not a fan of this sort of stuff because we're just getting ourselves more and more in debt. I don't use anything like that. I don't care if it's buy now, pay 10 years. I mean, how many people have ever done that? I want to know, has anyone ever done that? We might have a poll here today. Has anyone ever gone into one of those like furniture shops and you can buy a bed or you can buy, I don't know, you can buy anything really, a sofa, Buy now, pay in 20 years' time. Has anyone ever done any of that? It always makes me laugh, that one a little bit. Hang on. Camera. That's better. I thought that was wrong. Yeah, has anyone ever done that? Have you done the buy now, pay later? I'm not really a fan of it, but what do you think? Now, do you think this is good for the stock? For Apple stock? I've done it when I was young and dumb. I mean, seriously, where does it end? I've seen some things where you'll go and you can buy like a TV or you can buy a fridge, and it's literally buy now, no deposit, pay nothing, don't pay anything for a year, have 10 years to pay it. It's like, are we just building our lives down the road, 20 years down the road? I mean, at some point, where does this all end? I've done 12 monthly payments, but not long term. Simon Jones. There you go. I just think it all gets a bit silly, right? Because I mean, I guess you might go, well, why not keep the money in the bank? But if we constantly live in the future, you go, okay, that's great, because now I can use my money to invest in the stock market. But we're living for 5 years ahead all the time. We're never actually in the now. Never got any money now. In 5 years, when I've earned some money, I can pay off my bed. I just think it's crazy. Anyway, the Apple BNPL will work for some who don't want to work out $1,200 straight away. It can make sense when budgeting, especially in this climate. There you go. That's what Paul reckons. That BNPL, buy now, pay later, will work for some who don't want to fork out £1,200 straight away. It can make sense when budgeting, especially in this climate. I know it makes sense. I mean, Leah's done it. My wife's done it. She bought a fridge, and it was like, I don't know, $1,000 or whatever. And they said, you can pay $1,000 now, or you can have interest free for 2 years, and you don't even start paying for 6 months. Because I said at the time, can we get a discount then? They went, no. Because basically they want you to miss the payments and then they put all the interest for the whole thing. Well, we didn't do that. We didn't miss the payments. We paid it off, didn't pay any interest. It was great. So I can see the advantage. Obviously, I just think it's the wrong way to live if we're all living in the future. We should live for now, shouldn't we? My golf clubs cost $1,299, so I paid monthly. There you go. It took me 5 years to pay off my VHS player. I'm 100% debt free now. 5 years? 5 years to buy a video recorder. See, my argument would be, if it took 5 years, maybe you should just not bought it. Waited. I mean, did you say VHS recorder? Like the little video players. 5 years? I don't know. GSK is coming up. Good. Oh, everything's pumping up now for the close. This is nice. Let's go to a quick commercial break. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up shortly as well. Here we go. All right. Awesome. Okay. Vanguard S&P, they were like new. They were like new at the time, $1,000. All right. A long time ago. I bet you can buy a VHS now for $5, right? Yeah, back in the day. I mean, I understand it. You know, it's an easy decision to make when you say, all right, it's $1,000 for a video recorder, and you go, I don't really need it, but I'd like one. So it's not life and death, all right? And then someone says, all right, you can buy it over 5 years, but it's 30% interest. And then you go, no, I'd rather save up. That's a no-brainer, right? That's a no-brainer. But when someone turns around and says, you can have it interest-free, don't pay anything, don't pay any interest, it's the same price whether you give us cash. I mean, it makes no sense to give them cash, does it? So I can see why we're all doing it. It makes perfect sense, but at the same time, it makes no sense. It always makes me laugh, though, when I see the beds when it's like, don't pay anything. Don't pay anything for 5 years. Take 5 years to pay for it. It's like, I'll be dead time I even start paying for it. What's going on? Right, Amazon's coming up. Apple's coming up now. Everything's coming up into the close. It looks like McDonald's having a bit of a surge. I'm sure I just made profit on that one. What did I do? A minute ago, I bought 1 share of McDonald's. Where was it? 5 hours ago. Didn't I just buy McDonald's? Yeah, 5 hours ago this morning. That's why it hasn't made any money. 246. Yes, I bought it here, didn't I? And it carried on going down. I see. Right. I wonder why I didn't make any money on that 1 share. Right. Coca-Cola doing well, up to date, or moving up to date. Johnson & Johnson, we got the dividends, of course. Very good dividends on J&J. Google, I want to own some more Google. Microsoft down 0.48 at the moment. Nvidia, I've sold out of my Nvidia for now. When did I last sell this one, and how much did I get for it? I sold it at 190. Oh yeah, I remember now. All the remember someone paid me $100 to sell this. That was a bit of fun. Maybe I should buy it back now. Now it's down again. Let's get some perspective. It's been trading sideways for a week now. I'm not looking to buy any more of anything else at the moment, if I'm honest. So there we go. Meta. Now, Meta is FB at the moment. This will change. I think it changes in a week or so's time. I've seen the news that, not that it makes any difference, but the ticker will go from FB to META. So look out for that. If you're looking for Facebook, it won't be FB anymore. It's changing to META, Meta, in the next week or so, I think it is. Don't quote me on that, but it's quite soon. I saw it a couple of days ago. All right. What's everybody up to today in the world? Let me know where you are, what's going on. IonQ's having a good day, up 6%. I'm up 8% now on it. I've got 66 shares. Now, Arrival is around the corner. Arrival is its microfactories are supposed to open in June, end of June. So I'm doing some research on Arrival. Want to know what they're doing, because, of course, if they open up and they start producing, then their stock price will go up big time. Rolls-Royce. I'm looking to get out of Rolls-Royce. I just basically want to get my money back. I'm down 4% at the moment. I'm not saying I will sell it if it hits up 4%, but I'm looking to get out of Rolls-Royce. It's too slow. My money could be doing much more elsewhere. It's too much in the future. Doesn't earn a dividend. It doesn't do anything. Just sits. It's just parked money doing nothing at the moment. Target is up today. I'm up 4.76 today, $44. I've increased my position in it, so I'm happy with that. Tesco's, I'm looking to buy some more. Canoe, there's no information yet about the rumour partnering with Apple. There was some rumour, but it's kind of fizzled out at the moment. It popped up here and it's kind of gone flat at the minute, but there's not much to say at the moment. Because when that happens, if that happens, the stock will rally big time. Now, don't forget, on Friday, we've got the cash giveaway video. Cash giveaway video. That'll be coming out later on today, hopefully, if not in the morning. And you can win our cash prize. We do it every Friday. So we're doing that on Friday. As always, never missed. Always do it. And we're looking forward to that. If you didn't check out last night's video, make sure that you go back and look at Rocket Man. Absolutely fantastic. He joined in the show last night. It was a lot of fun. Thank you, Rocket Man, for calling in, by the way. It was great. Don't forget, as a member, you get the perk of your birthday for you or your family. That's how it works. 44 followers, 6 to go now. Little update. ETORO was our latest member. Stop working till 1 a.m. It will get you down again. Stop working till 1 a.m. It'll get you down again. Are you talking to me, Tom? I haven't done that for a while. I'm trying now to get even more done in a day. It's very difficult with doing such long live shows. I need to be in bed by 10, up at 6, in the studio at 6:30. Show starts at 7:30. And I really do enjoy the live shows, but it's difficult to make videos and research and do everything in between when you're always live. Redoing the studio, making adjustments, cleaning the studio, updates. There's all sorts to do in here all the time. Virgin Orbit just going sideways. Not much excitement going on. I'm perfectly okay with it. I'm down $18. I'm just parked my money. It isn't really dropping. I feel we've got pretty much the lowest price for Virgin Orbit. And until the climate improves, I don't see it going down. It can go up, get a good contract, get a few deals in. I'm sure Virgin Orbit will do well. That's why I want to go to the spaceport and talk to the team. But find out what's in the pipeline. Lucid just going sideways right now. Oh, I've got some... Oh, no, I thought that was some news. It's not any news. Okay, we are getting some news just in from Twitter situation. Let me get rid of that for the minute. And Twitter stocks inches higher after report indicates company could share more data with Musk. I mean, it's ridiculous. He's buying the bloody company. Why shouldn't he have the whole thing? Take a poll on what? Go back to starting at 9 or 8 your time. Oh, I see. Well, you'd missed the open. No, I think... No, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with starting. It's a good time. I like to be on it at that point, Mike, because I'm actually trading myself and researching. It's good. So no, I'm happy with starting early. It's just I need to do shorter shows. Yesterday I was on for 5 hours, and I was unable to make the videos. So that's the difficult part of it. Anyway, Twitter reportedly, but thank you for your concern, Mike. I appreciate it. Twitter reportedly plans to share a full data stream with Tesla. Tesla, Elon Musk, as it looks to secure a closing of their pending merger arrangement. The Washington Post said Wednesday the data stream includes information all on tweets posted daily and the accounts that send them. And Twitter already provides this sort of data to certain companies that pay for access, according to the report. Musk has agreed to purchase Twitter for $44 billion, but more recently, he and his legal representative have signaled that he could terminate the deal given his concerns that Twitter has not been accurate in its disclosure on the prevalence of bot activity on its platform. Twitter said in a Monday statement that the company has and will continue to cooperatively share information with Musk to consummate the transaction in accordance with the terms of the merger. Honestly, if I'm honest with you, I wish you'd just get over it. Okay, cool. Thank you for caring. Deepen the money. Are you talking to Mike saying thank you for caring? I presume you are. And thank you for caring about someone's caring. I just subscribed to your channel, Deepen the Money. There we go. Mike's a star. He helps everybody out. All right. Okay. It looks like we are having a nice steady climb into the close. I've not found any more information. Dr. Nathan Smith is looking at the report for us with regard to the cancer situation with GSK. Find out about that. I'm looking forward to hearing what he has to say about it. And I wonder why the stock hasn't bounced more today. I mean, it's up, but not by the amount I thought. I thought it would absolutely explode, but obviously there's a lot more research to do, and until there's a drug produced with an FDA approval probably, and blah blah blah. Anyway, S&P is just dropping off a little bit. Smash the like button. Yeah, it's very slow today on likes. I'm going to ask for everyone to like the video. I'm going to put a 1 minute on the clock. We got 11 likes and 25 watching. You really help us out by clicking the like. It suggests the video to YouTube. It doesn't cost you anything, but it makes a big difference to the algorithm for us. And also, as well, it always makes your stocks go up. You might have noticed that. If you like it, the stocks always go up. I've seen it happen over and over again. Smash the like button. Here we go. 1 minute. Mr. Mini-Me, here he goes. Smash the like. 13 likes. That's better. We're moving now. Welcome, 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 Mike. How are you? Thank you, Mike. There we go. 14. That's better. Now everybody's waking up. Chiggy, chiggy, chiggy. Oop, bat, ooh. All right. Thank you very much indeed. 14 likes. That's a little bit better, right? There you go. Deep in the money. Thank you very much for caring. I appreciate it. All right. Moving swiftly along. Virgin Galactic is holding up today. We've got some more news here. Let's have a little look. Not that one. Not that. Not that one. No, nothing I actually wanted that was that good. I was just trying to find something that would be interest, but no, nothing particularly. Hiya, Bill. How are you this afternoon? Welcome, welcome. Are you asleep? Is that what you mean? Virgin Galactic is pumping again. Here we go. Up 6.94. Bill's dozing off. How are you, Bill? Lovely to have you here. Do you want to call into the show? The broadcast lounge is open. If you want to call in, you can call in. The broadcast lounge now is open. And I want to thank everyone who's been following us over on Twitter. We're now up to 44, just six to go. Very, very close. Virgin Galactic is definitely not correlated to Virgin Orbit. Several people have asked me this, and no, absolutely not. You might say up and went down, but then everything did that today in the stock market. It's not correlated at all. There's no. You can try and see signs in it if you want, but there's not. Who's picking up the phone? Who's picking up the phone? Me. I'm picking up the phone in the broadcast lounge. If you want to call in. Let's look at our crypto. BSV this afternoon is up 0.26. I've got a video coming out about it as well, which will be interesting later on. Who have we got in the show today? Is Alex here? I'd like Deep in the Money to call in. We need to get Bill. We need to get Bill to call in and say something. That'd be great. He's tried a couple of times. Never quite worked out though, Bill, has it? Never quite worked out. And we've got Rob McLean here this afternoon.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
We've also got Paul B in the house.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
I like that one. And Who else should we do this afternoon? Oh, we've not. I hope Martyn Redding's okay. How long has it been? Martyn Redding's one of our members, still is. I hope he's well. He's got his Corvette channel. It always shares great pictures from his Corvette channel on Discord, but not heard from him for a while. Let's have a look. Let's have a reminder of his sweet dulcet tones.
Martyn Lucas is a wonderful man. He has a wonderful British humor, which I love. This is a real person doing real things with our real family. I've been trading for a long time now, but I have also learned some things from Martyn, as well as he's learned some stuff from other people. And we are all trying to make it to our retirement so that we don't have to work anymore and enjoy life.
There you go. Absolutely spot on. And looks like Virgin Orbit and SPCE are both having a push into the close, which is good. I've got a decent profit now on Virgin Galactic. How are you doing, Martyn? I'm all good. I am all good. Oh, hello. Bill's just called in. He's in the broadcast lounge. Hang on a minute. Here he is. He's on video. Look at this, everybody. Bill's on video, so we're going to bring him in. I'm going to unmute him. I'm going to bring him into the show, ladies and gentlemen. You're very, very exciting. We've got, let's see what happens. We've tried this before, and we've not had success. Let's have a look today. Here is Bill, live on the show. Bill, you're live on the show. How are you, mate? Oh, hang on, you're muted. You're muted at the minute. Let's have a look. Hang on, I've unmuted. Yeah, you're muted, Bill. I've unmuted you. You've got to unmute yourself.
How's that?
That's better. There he is.
Yeah. I found out what I was doing wrong before.
Oh, you worked it out now, have you?
Yeah. I was listening to myself on TV and talking on the phone, and there's a 6-second delay.
That's right.
So now, turn off the TV or shut it down. Can't hear it. Now I can hear you and me.
That's
I found
right.
that on another a blogger from the drones. They got me on live on their show.
There you go, Bill. And what you can do, you can watch it back later on YouTube, and you'll see all this on YouTube later. Yeah. But just right now, you're on Discord. Look at him. He's absolutely looking great. How are you, Bill? You've been in a lot of pain recently, right? Oh, there we are. We're on the telly.
Yeah, big time. Yeah, pain in the neck, pain in the lower back. My feet are blowing up.
Oh, dear.
Not a good thing. Oh, there I am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm 6 seconds behind. So.
That's right, you are. So
that's what was having the trouble before. I was listening to the TV and talking to you, trying to talk this way. It wouldn't work this way. I'd have to turn off the TV.
Right. So Bill, tell me, if you can, I would love you to look directly in the camera. Look directly in the camera and give me a 20-second video that I can use here on the show. Why you watch the show, why people should watch, and I'm going to record this, and we'll have it as your soundbite. Are you ready?
Sounds good.
All right, mate. Over to you.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other. And, well, gee, I'm running out of space.
That'll do, Bill.
Anyway.
That's perfect. Good. That's perfect. That's perfect. Bill,
I'm trying.
That's absolutely perfect, Bill. Thank you very much for calling in and sharing that with us. Other than your pain and stress, how's everything with you in Canada? What else is going on?
Well, it's been good weather for the last little while. Doing some drone flying. There's the drone. I got them all over the place.
Brilliant.
Yeah, we got 4 of them now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why'd you want?
You got the Skidoo.
Why'd you want another one then? Why'd you want to buy my one then? Because I'm going to put one on eBay. Why'd you want a 5th one? What's the point?
Well, it's a DJI. I've got 3, and you build up. It's like a collection. You have to be there with the droners. Everybody's got like a dozen of them.
Why?
So
Why?
that was one I didn't have yet. The more the merrier.
You can't fly them all at once, can you?
I can get 3 up at once. I need a phone or a controller to get the rest up.
Wow.
So yeah, so I'm working on it.
Wow.
I want to get 4 or 5 of them going at once.
Oh my
I
God.
can get 2 of them following. Get 2 of them following me at the same time, which is good.
Oh my God.
And I don't know. You have to look at my channel for some of the ones of the basketball players and
Yeah.
me driving along. It's in front of me by about 8 feet in front of me and follows me backwards.
Bill, I've got to get back to the stocks. Lovely to have you call in. Thank you very much for working it out. Really appreciate it.
Hello, everybody.
Cheers, mate. There he goes. There's Bill. Look, absolutely fantastic. Wasn't that great to get Bill live on the show? We finally got it to work. Absolutely fantastic. That was great. Spot on. He's given me a good sound bite as well. We can use that and put that in the show as well. All right. Let me just see where that was, and I'll set a marker and I'll record that. 55 minutes. There we go. 55 mins, and that's Bill. Great. Cheers, Bill. Thank you very much indeed. Deep in the money said, well said. Fantastic. Hi, Paul. Good evening. Glad to see you. Cheers, Bill. There you go. If anybody wants to call in, the broadcast lounge is always open during the shows. And, well, it's not always open. It's not always open. It's open when it's open, and it's closed when it's closed. It's open now, though. All right. It's for members only. You have to be a member to call in, and it's via Discord. If you want to be a member to the show and you want to call in, have your say, have a poll, have all the perks, have all the benefits, here is the invitation to join. And I'm also going to give you the Discord channel as well. And if you are a member, a silver member, you get your own channel as well. And you can grow your own family and your own community on our channel, because our channel is here to help everyone. So if you're tired of having a channel where no one cares about what you do, or on Facebook, no one cares, here, everyone cares. It's what we do. All right, it's what we do. So GSK is just down slightly, but I'm in the money on it. Vanguard S&P has been trying to push up, but it obviously looks like it doesn't want to go lower. Virgin Galactic, great. Really great to see it go above $7 again. Want to see it above 10. That's where I want to see it. And if that happens, that's going to be great, because that's $3,000 right there. If it goes up $3, I've got 1,000 shares. That's $3,000. So that is great, and there's no reason why it can't do that. Virgin Orbit's just not letting me get it for 380, so it looks like it's a bottom. I might have to pay this price. It is cheap. It is cheap. If you get some perspective on it, it is cheap. And we've got 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Look, all this price is good. There's the SPAC price. If you notice here, look, this is the SPAC price when it first came out, and then it dropped, which is typically what happens. And it hasn't produced yet, but it's a relatively new company. It's only been around since 2021. Whoa, what is that? What the heck is that just appeared in the chat? Oh, you can't see it as much as I can. Yeah, that's spam. I'm gonna get rid of that. That's spam. There you go. Get rid of that. John Kenneth. Yeah, that's not somebody on Facebook spamming. Anyway, hi Martin, how are you? Thanks so much again for your wonderful happy birthday celebrate to my mum on Closing Bell. It was my absolute pleasure. I think everyone loved it. It was a lot of fun. Really great. Let's see if we can get a dip tomorrow morning then. Try again. But it doesn't matter. I've got 225 shares. Right, the bell is now gone. Let me ring the bell. Ding, 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 ding. The bell is gone. There we go. We're in the after hours now. So it doesn't matter. I'm in the stock, and $1,000 is a good investment to have anyway. when the stock goes up to $20 a share, which I'm thinking it will in a year's time, then it's not going to be, it's not a Virgin Galactic. It's not the same. It's not as big a company, but I still like what it's doing. That's why I'm in it, and I'm interested in it. All right, the overall portfolio right now then. Let's see where we are. Let me open it up for a minute. I haven't got it open, but I'm actually up 1.33. So let's do a day trader of the day, and let's see how everyone's doing. Over on Twitch, we got 44 followers, just 6 to go. So if you've not yet followed me on Twitch, please do. I just need 6 more. 6 more. Paddy, Alicia, have you followed me on Twitch yet? There you go. There's my Twitch account. Just need 6 more, and I'll be done. I would have achieved my target, and be very, very exciting. Hi, Alicia. How are you? Good to see you. So there we go. There's our portfolio today. It bounced up very nicely. At one point, we were at just about 37,000. 36.7, now down to 36. So we're $700 down from where we were earlier, but that's okay. I regard this as a win. It does look like, in fact, I'm gonna do a poll, because I know what Market Profit thinks, but I'm gonna do a poll. Look, over the last month, we are down very slightly, but we've been coming up now for like 3 weeks. Little by little, we've been coming up. So I'm going to ask the poll, and I want your honest answer. All right? Have we hit bottom? Now, some people believe we have. They believe inflation has peaked. They believe that we've hit the bottom. On Twitch, okay, Alicia, great. Alicia and Paddy, I only need 6 more people to join my Twitch, and I've reached 50. That's what I need. So here is the Twitch account. Don't know. Total ignorance. I don't know. That's the honest answer. I don't know either. It's why I'm not going more in on stuff. I've got a good amount invested. I'm very happy with how much, how much money I've got in the market. I don't need to go all in. I want to keep some money on hand. I want to keep the option to buy if we do get this 30% drop. If we do, maybe we will, maybe we won't. No one knows. So far, we've got 83% say no. 6 votes so far. But absolutely yes, Paddy. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, I'm watching the screen. This is what I'm looking at, Paddy and Alicia. See on here, this is me on Twitch right now. Okay, and if you look at the top, it shows you we have 44 followers, see? And I need to get to 60. Sorry, 50. I need just 6 more. All right, that's all I need. And it'd be great if you can help me get there. All right. So we're going to end the show because I've got to work on some more videos, more stuff coming out, more plans, more stuff planning. I've not received any videos yet. Via Discord for you to take part in the birthday celebrations. So if you want to be involved in the birthday celebrations, wishing everybody a happy birthday, wishing the channel happy birthday, you'd like to be involved in that. If you want to be involved in that, you need to send in your videos to Discord. So that way you don't have to call in live on the day. You might want to call in live on the day, but you might prefer to make a video. So make a video, send it in, and that can be your message to everybody here on the channel. I've not received any yet, so go on to Discord and send that in. All right. You're welcome, Martin. We'll do after the show. Thank you very much indeed. Great. I look forward to waking up tomorrow and being on 45. Yay! That'll be fantastic. Over there on TikTok, how are you all this morning? Lovely to have you here. Right then, let's wrap up the show this afternoon. The portfolio is going up now then. Are we going to get a sell-off on Friday? Market Profit thinks we're going to get as far as Friday and then it all sell off. I don't know. We'll find out soon. We'll find out soon. Great. Thank you, Alicia. Thank you, Paddy. Yeah, you might need to download the app. That would be awesome. Be so exciting to get. I've only need another 6. And there we go. $1.34. Let's do day trader of the day. Here we go. Do day trader of the day and we'll get the scores. So to get everybody up to date, here's the quick commercial. You just need to click the grey button, the live, and turn it red, and everybody be in. So I'll give you time right after our quick commercial break. Okay, so let's go to it now. I am up. Get ready to give me your score. 1.34%. And I will post that on the screen. Share that with you. And then let's see. I'm going to give you a minute before I start in case anyone's stuck on the commercial. GSK up 1.36. Virgin Galactic is up 7.4. Up in the after hours as well, looking nice. And as is Virgin Orbit. Well, in fact, Virgin Orbit is flat in the after hours. But it's good. I'm not losing any money. It's right there. Could sell it now for a wash and be out. Right, you ready? Let's give you 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. So I'm at, Sergio goes straight into the lead with 5.25%. Fantastic, Sergio. Thank you very much for being a member. You will be turning gold soon. Once you've been a member a little while longer, you will turn gold. Your benefits improve, your perks improve, and we appreciate you very much indeed for supporting the live shows. Thank you. There you go. Sergio Montalvo is up. Any more scores? Can't just be Sergio, right? Who else has got a score this afternoon? Our pleasure. We're just 2. You need 6. We hope to help somehow. Thank you very much indeed. 2 is great. That'll take me to 40. That'll take me to 46. Just 4 more to go. Yes. Any more? I'm finally on finally on Discord. Dexter Sickles. Dexter Sickles. Right, now, Dexter, you're not a member on the YouTube channel. So you don't get access to all the exclusive content. All right? We'll come back to our day trader of the day in a second. Let me just show Dexter Sickles what's available to him. This is Discord right now. And as a non-member on YouTube, you only see the public channels. See these? Look, public, open to all. You see these. You see these. All these channels are the day traders channels. All right? These are all the exclusive channels for the members only. All down here. And then the silver members have their own channels. They actually have their own channels, their own communities. So they can promote things, they can discuss things and make friends with people. And also as a member on the day trader, you can call in live. If you're a member, you can be a member for $2 a month. It's like really cheap. You can call in on the broadcast channel. So you can be in. You can also message me personally. You can also message Peru personally, Muzanella, all our members. All our members, you can reach out to them and be involved. And there you go. So you are now over there on Discord, and if you become a member, and I'll give you the link to become a member. Hang on a minute, I just accidentally undid something. Edit, undo, typing. There we go. That's better. If you become a member, then I will upgrade you. It's a manual thing, and then give you access to all the other stuff. And of course, as a bronze member, you get hundreds of other benefits. It's not just It's not just Discord. It's one of them. There are many, many, many perks. All right, so there you go. Consider that. You'll see nearly everybody is a member now, but you don't have to be. Essentially, being a member, as well as the perks you get, it supports the live shows. I don't make any money from live shows, and I do it only 4 hours a day, and it's the membership that keeps that going. All right, let's do our day trader of the day then. So where is it? Rocket Man is down 0.71. We had the Queen is up 2.48. And Sergio storms ahead with 5.25. 5.25. Thank you very much indeed, Sergio, for your honest trade. Let's give him a thumbs up and a big round of applause. Everybody congratulate Sergio. Absolutely great. Well done. Didooby, shoot booby, shoot beat dooby doo. Wow, wow, wow. Dooby doo. There we go. Congratulations, Sergio. Very, very good. Rocket Man, lovely to have you here. That's a great score, Sergio. Congratulations. Alicia says, hi, Rocket Man. Did you see yesterday? Did you watch yesterday? Oh, of course you did. It was your birthday. It was Paddy's birthday. And Sergio was dancing behind. You should have called in, Alicia and Patricia. Over there on Discord, you two should have called in. Unbelievable. All right, now then. This is interesting. We've got 13 votes now. 46%, nearly half of you think we've reached a bottom. You see what I mean? It's not completely, it's not a foregone conclusion that we haven't. Everyone, people saying, no, it's going to get a lot worse. Well, not necessarily. Not necessarily. Could very well be the bottom. No one actually knows. Now then, Dexter Sickles, you said you were on Discord. Which is your membership? Is this you down the bottom here? Because I've not had anyone come on today. This was this morning. So is this you? Are you TBR120? Is that you? There you go. Sergio, there you go. Thanks for everyone. Took advantage of that space dip the other day. Congratulations. Yes, that's how you made your money. Good. Good for you. Absolutely brilliant. Right, we're going to wrap up the show. GSK is up actually in the after hours. I'm just down very slightly in the after hours, but still up 0.95. Virgin Galactic is, there we go. Virgin Galactic's falling in the after hours. Virgin Orbit, nothing doing. How are you tonight, Queen? I wish everything's going well. That's very nice of Alicia. All right. Then the 4-digit. Then the 4-digit. What's that, Dexter? I don't know what you mean. Dexter Sickles, what? I don't know what you mean. Then the 4-digit number. Is this all? I'm just asking, is that you? That was from 7:57 this morning. So I don't think that's you. I don't think you're on Discord yet. I don't know. But that's our latest member. Anyway. Oh, D Sickles. Yeah. Yeah, you've not joined our Discord yet, because this is today. You said you just joined it. I don't see you on our Discord. Let me give you the Discord link. You might have joined Discord, but you've not joined our server. All right? Here's our server. There's our server. I don't know if you've joined our server. You might be on Discord, but I don't think you've joined our server, because I can't see you there. All right? Okay. You're very welcome. Yeah, it looks like you just joined. You're not on our server because our server takes 10 minutes to get through for high security. You have to confirm your email and all sorts. It's to stop idiots coming onto our channel. But you're not on our channel right now. You're just on Discord. You haven't created an account with us. So I'll leave that with you. Maybe you'd like to do it. Anyway. We're going to wrap up the show there right now. Thank you very much indeed. Virgin Galactic just dropped back a bit. It hasn't affected Virgin Orbit. They're just going sideways. Tesla. Let's look at our crypto. It's saying something about webhook permissions. That's right. Just go through all of that. Just go through all the security measures. We have it so we don't have idiots come on our channel. All right. It takes 10 minutes to get through. Just approve all the webhooks. Just approve it all. It's all good. And you'll be through. Bitcoin SV is coming up in the after hours. End phase energy. Okay. I look forward to welcoming you there. But remember, unless you become a member of the Day Trader on YouTube, you don't get all the exclusive access. All right? I'm trying. That's all right. Take your time. You've got all the time in the world. There's no rush. If it takes you 5 years, it takes 5 years. It's all good. And that link to become a member, you do for a browser. All right. Open Door, Ginkgo Bioworks. It's going sideways now. Tilray Brands. IPOF. On. Canoe. Tesco's. Target. Everything's okay now. Rolls-Royce. PayPal. IonQ just falling back a bit. SoFi, happy with that. SoFi, I'm down 3.6%, but I've got a bigger stake in it now. Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft. There we go. Not bad. All right, that's it. We're okay. We survived another day. We're up today again. So, we're slowly hedging up. Let's close the poll. It's nearly 50-50. 44 say, yes, we have hit bottom. And 56 say no. So, like we've said, it's not conclusive. That's 8 people. 9 people have said no. And 7 have said yes. So, and I haven't voted. I can't vote on it. So you can get the idea. But I'll end the poll now. Post it into the chat. And we'll end the show today. That's it. Thank you very much for being here. And I'll be back in the morning for the opening bell. And we'll do it all over again. Look out for the competition video to give away our cash prize. That's coming up soon as well. And a lot to be excited about. We've only got, how many days was it now? 18 days, 16 hours, 11 minutes for our first anniversary. So get your video sent into Discord if you wish to have a video played during the show on Friday, or on the birthday, the anniversary. Just in time. It's medication time. All right, Bill, that's it from me. Have a lovely afternoon. See you in the morning for the opening bell. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.